Hey everyone, I'm Paul, your TPM trail guide. If you're a TPM or a product leader trying to ship something new, but your engineers are saying it's not quite ready yet, this is for you. I'm walking you through a tool I use to turn hesitation into momentum. It is called a release gap analysis. But before we dive in, hit that like button. And if you find value in this kind of content, subscribe for more tactical TPM tips that help you lead with confidence. It's a structured way to identify what is missing, evaluate the impact of those gaps, propose mitigations or fast follows to close post-launch. It gives teams the language to move forward safely without getting stuck in chasing perfection. Here's a quick example. We're launching a new internal search tool, but ranking wasn't tuned yet. We are using our gap analysis tool. The gap is incomplete relevance tuning. Mitigation, pin and top queries manually. A fast follow, launch machine learning based tuning next sprint. The result, we launch with confidence and delivered improvements fast. So that's how I use release gap analysis to keep launches on track, even when things aren't perfect. If this helps you, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more practical tools like this. Got your own version of this approach or questions on how to use it? Drop a comment. I love to hear how you handled real release decisions under pressure. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Keep guiding.